Pardon me. Excuse me. ขอโทษครับ You may have actually heard this one before. ขอโทษครับ. Or if you're female, you would say ขอโทษค่ะ. ขอ rising tone. Let's change color on that. Something that's contrasting. ขอ one word. ขอ. Now that's ขอ, not core. So ขอ. And then falling tone on the next word. โทษ โทษ. Kind of ends in a T. Your tongue is kind of almost making a D. ขอโทษ. But you end it abruptly. ขอโทษ. Okay? And then ครับ has a high tone. So ขอโทษครับ or ขอโทษค่ะ. Pardon me or excuse me.
ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษครับ
ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษครับ
ขอโทษค่ะ ขอโทษค่ะ ขอโทษค่ะ
So you saw there how Daisy said it differently than the rest of us, because Daisy? What did you notice about Daisy that's different than than the rest of us guys? Exactly right. So men say ขอโทษครับ and women say ขอโทษค่ะ. Looking at this word by word, ขอ means to request or to ask for. ขอ. If you wanted some water, ขอน้ำ, high tone means water. Of course, you say ขอน้ำครับ. So ขอ means to request or to ask for. In this case, we're going to ask for someone's forgiveness. So โทษ means to blame, to accuse. It also means penance. So I call, I ask, I request for the blame. It's my fault. Please accuse me. Please give me penance. Please punish me is actually not a far stretch for this sentence either. ขอโทษ, I request penance. I accept the blame, or give me the blame. And then of course you want to make it polite. ครับ for men, ค่ะ for women. So let's do this together, shall we? ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษครับ
ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษครับ
ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษครับ
ขอโทษค่ะ
The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, TheThaiLanguage.com. TheThaiLanguage.com.